Here's how to send and receive crypto using Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from your holdings. For example, you can select Bitcoin or another supported cryptocurrency. Once you're on the cryptos page, scroll down until you find the Send and Receive option. This is where you can transfer crypto into or out of your Robinhood wallet. To receive crypto, tap Receive. Robinhood will display your crypto wallet address, which you can copy and provide to the person or platform sending you the cryptocurrency. You may also see a QR code, which can be scanned to send crypto to your Robinhood wallet. Before sending anything, make sure the cryptocurrency and network are supported and that the receiving address is correct. Sending crypto to an incorrect address or unsupported network can result in permanent loss. To send crypto from Robinhood, select Send and follow the instructions to enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. Once submitted, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain and may take some time to complete. That's all for this video. Thanks.